I am going to give the information about the important contents of the Constitution of India. Here on the screen in the image, we can see the contents of the Constitution of India. As we know, in order to prepare the Constitution of India, the Constituent Assembly and the drafting committee, it took 165 days to prepare the document. It means 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to prepare this particular document, that is the Constitution of India. This constitution we adopted on 26th of November 1949, and it came into effect from 26th of January 1950. So here I will explain in brief the three important parts of our constitution. Let us begin with this. The first part of our constitution, it is about the union and its territory. In the very first part of our Indian constitution, what we explains, it is we explain what is the name of the territory. The second important point in which we do explain which are the states which have been included in the territory of India or Indian territory. What are the special rights assigned to some certain different states? That special rights all been the special rights are also mentioned in this part of the Constitution of India. Then, what is the criteria to form the new state? That procedure, that criteria is also explained in this first part. And another one is the alteration of the boundaries of the states, different states, formation of different states, that procedure of formation, procedure of alteration of the boundaries of the states is explained in this first part of the Constitution. Now we will move towards the second part of the Constitution. In this image, we can see the second part is about the citizenship of this country, the citizenship of India. In this citizenship, in the second part, what is explained? In this part, citizenship is explained who can become the citizen of this country. The citizen of the particular country, the citizen of India, after becoming the citizen, can enjoy the civil and political rights which have been assigned by the Constitution of India. So, to become a citizen, what is the criteria is explained in the second part. Who can be a citizen of our country? Before the 1950 and after 1950, what was the criteria? What is the criteria to become the citizenship? That all clauses, all rules and regulations is explained in this second. Now the third part of the constitution is about the fundamental rights. This is the most important part of our constitution. The fundamental rights are those rights of the individual which have been protected by the government, which has been protected by the authority. Those rights are known as fundamental rights. The rights are very fundamental. Each and every individual of the country, each and every citizen of this country, he will offered these fundamental rights. He offers this particular fundamental rights. So, right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights. These are the categories of rights which have been protected in this part of fundamental rights of Indian citizen.